Welcome! The purpose of this tutorial is to define what the Student Tracker for Colleges and Universities premium service is and where you can go to get more information about it. First of all, it's important to note that there are two types of Student Tracker services available for post-secondary institutions. Student Tracker for Colleges and Universities, also known as STCU or the Basic Service, and Student Tracker for Colleges and Universities Premium, also referred to as the Premium Service, or just Premium for short. The Premium Service is the result of a major upgrade the Clearinghouse launched in 2017 to the basic STCU service. The intent is to take the insights from the STCU base service a step further and package that information into an even better user experience. Please note that Premium subscribers continue to get all the functionality of the STCU basic service. There are four basic parts of the Premium service, and they are the Analysis Ready or Wide File Report, Request File Rerun, Institution-Specific Signature and Snapshot Reports, and Data Visualizations. Let's take a closer look at each of these components. The Analysis Ready report is also known as the wide file format. Instead of the multiple rows of data per student as shown in the detail report, the Analysis Ready consolidates all of this information into one row per student. The purpose is to provide users with a file that is analysis ready, in a format where it's easier to spot trends in your data, and understand a student's academic career without the need to synthesize multiple rows of data. The Premium service comes with the ability to rerun a request file that has been previously submitted. This is great for those looking to track a specific cohort over time. Rerunning request files saves you time and effort by eliminating the need to store and re-upload a request file. Please note, this is only available for files submitted after July 23, 2016. Each file may be rerun up to 4 times per year based on submission date. You may already be familiar with the signature and snapshot reports produced at the national level by our research center. The Premium service may provide participants with institution-level versions of these reports, which can be downloaded through the application interface. Institution-level reports are only available for the main campus of an institution, meaning the branch code of the school is 00. These reports are calculated for a cohort of students determined by the Research Center from data your institution provided through the enrollment reporting and degree verify services. The Signature Completions report may be available for 3 consecutive fall cohorts. The Signature Tracking Transfer report is a new report. Over time, this report will be available for 3 fall cohorts. The Persistence and Retention Snapshot report includes multiple fall cohorts in one report. Data visualizations allow users to see demographic and institution-level data for students included in your request file. In aggregated form, these visuals graphically represent remedial course enrollment, gender, race and ethnicity, and schools, first or last attended, by school name and sector. There is one other visualization which presents completion rates by gender, as presented in the school's institution-specific completions report. You can find more details on the Analysis Ready report, request file rerun functionality, institution-level signature and snapshot reports, and data visualizations in the Premium Service User Guide found online. You can also find more information by viewing our other tutorials and on-demand webinars at clearinghouseacademy.org.